Ogini newe mo. I know see my friend oh. My very very friend. JJJJP. Sicilians the vessel. Everybody the vessel. Obi Adima. Papangolo, Bangolo, Papangolo, Bangolo, Papangolo, Bangolo, Papangolo, Bangolo, Papangolo, Bangolo, Papangolo, Papangolo, Bangolo, Udume, Oyele, Onyamara Suru ya Suru ya, Onyamara Suru ya Suru ya, Owara no wambe daka, Owara no wambe daka, wambe de follow so no balo so no, Obi Adima iwe obi Adima hold your waist oh hold your waist if you are a fine girl oh hold your waist if you no fine oh hold your waist anything you be oh hold your waist nene oh hold your waist oh my sister hold your waist hold your waist if you are a fine woman oh hold your waist but if you no fine hold your waist anything you be oh hold your waist nene oh hold your waist 1 2 3 4 5 hold your waist 6 7 8 9 hold your waist 9 10 go hold your waist shake up roll up shake your waist roll up hold your waist shake up roll up shake your waist roll up hold your waist hold your waist Daro na mago berere Daro na mago berere Baru mobia berere Obia biaru lo berere Baru mobia berere Obia biaru lo berere Boy gerere bori gerere boy Otimba bia iganu mba Onyama Otimba bia nyiga mba Onyama Agama gunu gatuwa Onyama Agama gunu gatuwa Onyama Obu gini mere si gaha ga Onyama Obu gini mere si gaha ga Onyama Imana wunye na mo masiri miwe Onyama Imana wunye na mo masiri miwe Onyama Obu dede wunye na gi mere gi gini Onyama Obu dede wunye na gi mere gi gini Onyama Wunye na mu weru dele buleti na maya Onyama Wunye na mu weru dele buleti na maya Onyama Osi egwu ụtụtụ m gahete Onyama Osi egwu abalị m gahete Onyama O tele ndede Onyama O tele ndede Onyama Bani o tele ndede O tele ndede Onyama Ojenne
Welcome back to the upland.
I remember one day when I dey for my house, oh, I hear say Niger Delta them too much, oh. When I reach here, the people them too much, eh. My people waiting, they happen. I be alive, I be alive, I be alive, such a way. The number one governor of Nigeria, with your beautiful wife, Her Excellency, the wife of the 70th governor of Rivers State, JCA, Justice Mary Otili. Mama, you're too much. Our grandmother, we greet you. Our deputy governor, you're too much. Dr. Pierre Sekibo, I greet you. Minister for Transport, fine man, no people. Oga, you're too much. Chibike Amechi, my speakers of all speakers. Oga, you're too much. Austin Opara, DK Jagamba 1 of Rivers State. Austin, I greet you, you're too much. Deputy Speaker, Federal House of Rep. Tonye Hario, Deputy Speaker, Rivers State House of Assembly. I greet you. Chifekine Hario, my brother, fine man. You're too much, oh. All Stars, oh yeah, oh yeah. All Stars Football Club of Nigeria, I greet you. Port Harcourt Club, Golf Club, Barrister Henry Otili, President of Port Harcourt Club, I greet you. Members of the House of Assembly, I greet all of you. All my friends in Port Harcourt, young boys and young girls, you're all very, very important. Abi Alayo, Abi Alayo, Chief Tony Eze, Capital Airline, Chief, you're too much. Kedu Maka, your friend, the everyone of Asaba. Victor Osamokomae, you're a man. Master J, I greet you. Lucas, you're a man. The Don Luciano, Georgia Mangala. What of your friend, Tony Macpepo? Fine boy, no people, I greet you now. I won't forget, I no go forget the 23 local government chairmen in Rivers State. I greet you, Obiako chairman, Ikwere chairman, Emoha chairman. Go round, my man, you're a man. Onega live, I greet you. Abi Alayo. And now let's go back to our women. international grassroots, I greet you now. My Presido, Mrs. Ene Akawo, you're a woman, fine woman. What of your husband? My brother, Engineer Desmond Akawo, representing everywhere you go. God will bless you. I greet everybody from Untoki. My people, you're too much. Reversible, I greet you. What of my sister, Commissioner for Women Affairs, Doro Ofili? Fine woman, fine woman, fine woman. What of Medlitado? Medlitado, you're too much. When you speak English, everybody they respect you. I know you'll forget Doris Fisher, woman of such a way. Doris Fisher, you're too much respected home and abroad. Mama, mama, I no go forget my uncle Timi Alaibi, a man with the heart of God, a man of such a way, with his beautiful wife, all the way from Bayelsa. Timi, you're too much, oh. Rivers women, I greet you now, youths and everybody. If I don't call your name, no verse, because the name's too long. But I love everybody.